Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss, how does YouTube ad revenue work? If you've ever wondered how people make money from their YouTube videos, the answer is mostly through ads. Here's a simple guide to help you understand how YouTube ad revenue works. What is YouTube ad revenue? YouTube ad revenue is the money you earn when ads are shown on your YouTube videos. YouTube works with advertisers who want to promote their products or services. These ads are shown on videos, and when viewers watch or interact with them, YouTube earns money. As a YouTuber or video creator, you get a portion of this money. The more people watch the ads on your videos, the more money you can potentially make. How do you become eligible to earn? To start making money from ads on YouTube, you must first join the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. But not everyone can join right away. There are some requirements. At least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, and you must follow YouTube's community guidelines, which are rules about the type of content you post. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to the YPP, and if accepted, ads will start showing on your videos. Types of ads on YouTube. Different types of ads might appear on your videos, such as skippable ads, which viewers can skip after 5 seconds, non-skippable ads, which viewers have to watch completely, display ads, which appear next to the video on desktops, bumper ads, which are short ads usually 6 seconds long that viewers cannot skip, and overlay ads, which are small banner ads that appear on the bottom part of your video. Each ad type can earn different amounts of money, depending on how many people see or click on them. How much money do you make? Well, the money you make from YouTube ads depends on a few things. First, views. The more views your video gets, the more ads are shown. Second, ad type. Some ads, like non-skippable ones, can pay more than others. And finally, viewer engagement. If viewers click on the ad or watch it for a longer time, it may bring in more money. On average, YouTubers make $1 to $3 for every 1,000 views, but this can vary a lot. Some channels might make more or less depending on their content and audience. How do you get paid? YouTube pays creators through Google AdSense, a service that manages ad payments. Once you earn at least $100 from ads, YouTube will send the money to your AdSense account, and you can transfer it to your bank. Revenue sharing with YouTube. When you make money from ads, you don't keep all of it. YouTube holds a portion of the ad revenue and gives the rest to you. Currently, YouTube takes 45% of the revenue, and you get 55%. For example, if an advertiser pays $100 for an ad shown on your video, you would get $55, and YouTube would keep $45. What affects your earnings? Several factors can impact how much you earn from ads' ad availability. Advertisers may not always be willing to pay for ads on every video, especially during certain times of the year. Audience location. Ads shown to viewers in some countries pay more than others. Type of content. Certain topics attract more advertisers. For example, finance or tech videos may earn more than general vlogs. In simple terms, YouTube ad revenue works by showing ads on your videos, and you earn money when viewers watch or interact with those ads. You need to meet certain requirements to start earning, and while you share part of the earnings with YouTube, creating engaging content that attracts lots of viewers can lead to good income over time.